My people, Merry Christmas to our Christian brothers and sisters, and Happy New Year in advance. Now, moving on. Today, Manchester United, Newcastle. They are both evenly match game. They are both middle table clubs. So it's at Old Trafford, Manchester United, because it's at Old Trafford. So I'm giving Manchester United 50% chance and Newcastle 50% chance of winning. Both of them have the same, in my own opinion, because both of them they are not fantastic. Newcastle they normally miss a lot of chances, especially Nick Nivotomed and Avibans. Both of them they miss a lot of chances whenever they are called upon. So Newcastle are going to create chances, yeah. Manchester United are going to create chances, yeah. But Nick Pope is a better goalkeeper than Lamens of Manchester United goalkeeper. Both of them they can make errors at the back. Both Manchester United and Newcastle. Newcastle, they are a little bit compact defensively. Manchester United, they are a little bit here and there defensively. Midfield, they are not really organized. And their best player, their captain, Bruno Fernandes, is out injured. So he's out injured. I don't know, maybe he's going to be fit for this game. Even if he's fit, when Bremo is out, Nations Cup, Amadialo out, Nations Cup, Benjamin is back. So most of their players, their centre backs, so Edinebu, Lenny Yoro, and Agumaga is also out injured. So many of their players are out injured or are in the Nations Cup. So now I'm expecting a rivalry match game at Old Trafford. Nothing to. My opinion. I think this match should end in a draw at Old Trafford. It should end in a draw. I'm not going to be surprised if Newcastle beats Manchester United, because Everton beat Manchester United at Old Trafford, even with a man down. West Ham, a terrible West Ham drew at Manchester United at Old Trafford. So even Bournemouth played 4-4. There's nothing too special with Manchester United at Old Trafford. So I'm expecting a really match game, a goal scoring affair in both ends, and also a draw.